Are you ready to blend like a ninja wherever you go? The Ninja BC151CR portable blender is designed for health enthusiasts on the move. With Ninja Blast technology and stainless steel blast blade assembly, you can crush ice and frozen ingredients in seconds. The 18 ounces capacity allows you to blend your favorites anytime, anywhere. Choose from stylish colors and enjoy the easy-to-carry handle. Whether you're a fitness trainer, parent, office worker, or adventurer, this blender is perfect for you. The easy open sip lid lets you blend and drink on the go. It's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Join smoothie lovers, athletes, and yoga practitioners in embracing the power of blending anywhere with the Ninja BC151CR. With a self-cleaning feature, you can get back to your active lifestyle in just 30 seconds. The Ninja BC151CR portable blender is a game changer for those who value convenience and health. Blend your way to a healthier lifestyle with this innovative and portable blender. Don't let a busy schedule hold you back from enjoying fresh and nutritious smoothies on the go.